K is for kangaroo. K is for king.
Well done!
G is for grapes. M is for mouse. M is for mango.
Well done!
H is for helicopter. H is for horse.
Well done!
W is for whistle. W is for watermelon.
Well done!
I is for ice cream. I is for iron. T is for turtle. T is for train. J is for joker. J is for jug. F is for flower. F is for frog. U is for unicorn. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. V is for van.